Hello, today we're going to be making a Prezi. After you've logged into Prezi.com, which I already have, it will open you up to the dashboard page. At the dashboard page, I already have a great deal of presentations. However, you will be able to go to New Presentation and select that. From here, we can begin choosing a variety of options for the base level of the Prezi. Screen time may take a moment to load up. But for the templates, or the popular templates, you can choose what you'd like for what you want the base level of the Prezi to be. We're going to just choose the roadmap. Or, if you'd like, you can choose Start Blank Prezi here. We're going to use template that we've selected as the roadmap. With the roadmap now open, we can click to add a title, and whatever we place in this box will be the title of our currently unnamed Prezi. We'll simply name this one Test Prezi. From here, everything will be centered around this Prezi, and on the left-hand side you can see the order of which the slides are. Clicking them will bring you directly to the next slide in that order, and at any point you can return to 1, which is the overview. And click and add any of the texts. Scroll in, scroll out at your own leisure, and place these in any way you'd like. It's very customizable and very open to a great deal of sources.